Who's the coder? Let's learn. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel Deepu's the Coder. Let's learn something new today. In this video, we are going to learn about how to get collection view, single and multi-selected items in code behind and view model. Here I am opened a blank Xamarin Forms project and I have added collection view to my main page, .xaml page. And I bind the data to this collection view from my main page view model. In my main page view model constructor itself, I call the load data method. Here I have loaded my data to the collection view by using user details list item source property. Let's see how to get collection view selected item in code behind. By default, collection view selection mode is none. If you want to get any selected item, definitely we need to give selection mode for the collection view. Here I am giving selection mode. Here we have three options: single, none and multiple. If you give none means you cannot able to select any item in collection view. And if you give single means you can able to select only one item at a time. Now I am giving single and we need to write the event handler for when user click on any item in collection view. For that we have to write selection changed event. Let's implement this selection changed event handler in code behind. Here we need to give current selection item. By default, this current selection item is list, but we are giving the single item only. So by default, we need to give index is 0. So whenever user click on any item in the collection view, this collection view selection change event handler will be raised and we can get that user selected item inside this event handler. Let's run our application and see how it will work. Here collection view is coming. Now I am selecting one item inside the collection view. Here you can see that our event handler will be heated whenever we select the item in the collection view and see what is the data we are getting. Here you can see that we are getting the data is Hyderabad test 1. We are all select the same item only, Hyderabad test 1. Now you can see that. So this is the process of getting selected item in the collection view in code behind. But here we are giving the single only, means selection mode is single. But in collection view we have some additional feature is we can able to select multi-selection option also. Now I will show you how to get multi-selection items in the code behind. If you want to enable multi-selection in your collection view, first we have to go to an collection view and we have to set selection mode is multiple. Then our collection view will work as a multi-selection. And this selection changed event will be work for the multi-selection also. But we have to change some small change inside the event handler, that is here we have given e dot current selection only. In previous we are discussing that current selection is a list of items. So Whenever we are selecting multiple items in the collection view, that list will be coming inside this current selection data. By iterating this current selection data, we can able to list out all the selected items. Now I will run the application and see how it will work. Here we are getting the collection of items. Now I will select multiple items in the collection view and see how we get the data in the code behind. Currently I am selecting single item only. So inside the selection items, we are getting one item. Now I am selecting another item inside the collection view. Here you can see that two items I am getting in selection items variable. So this is the process of getting multi-selection items in the code behind. Here you can see that two items are selected in the collection view. So like that, how many items we are selected in the collection view, we are getting that items list inside the code behind event handler. Here you can see that three items we are getting. So up to now we are seeing single selection and multi-selection items getting in the code behind file. Let's see how to get single selection and multi-selected items in the view model. Now I will show you how to get single selection item in the view model. So for that I am changing my selection mode to single and I am removing my event handler. Instead of that we have to give selection changed command. And we need to give command parameters to view model. For that we have to write selection changed command parameter. Here we need to write binding selected item and we need to give our collection view reference. Let's implement this command in view model. Here we need to give our data type is object. Here obj is the our selected item. So whenever we select any item, that selected item we are getting inside the view model with the help of obj. Let's run our application and see how it will work. Here our collection view list of items are populated. Now I am selecting one item inside the collection view. Here you can see that our command will be hitted and inside the obj folder, obj parameter we have get our selected item. Here you can see that our selected item inside we are getting our data Hyderabad and test one. So this is the process of getting single selection collection item inside the view model. Let's see how to get multiple selection items in view model. Now I will show you how to get multi selected items in view model. First thing we need to change is our selection mode to multi and we have to keep the selection changed command same and we need to change our selection changed parameter to selected items in before we are giving selected item. This will work for single selection only. If you need multi selection then we need to give selected items, then we are getting our multiple selection items inside the view model. And I will change my command. Let's implement this multi-selection command inside view model. Here we need to give our generic type is list. For single selection, directly we can able to give object because that's single item only. Here we are writing the code for multi-selection. For that we need to give list. Inside the list we need to give object. By iterating our object parameter, we can able to get our multi-selected items. So this is the process of getting multi-selected items inside the view model. Let's run our application and see how it will work. Here our collection view items are populated. Now I am selecting one item. Here our command is heated and see how we are getting the data. Inside the object we are getting single item only. So it iterated one time. So inside the test list view I am getting single item. Now I am selecting another item inside the collection view. So inside the object we are getting the two items because we are selected two items. So our for each loop will be iterated two times. Here you can see that test list will contain two items we are getting. So this is the process of getting multiple selection items inside the view model. So like this, how many number of items we are selected, that selected items we can able to get inside the our view model.
Thank you for watching our videos. Please like, share and subscribe my channel Deepu's Decoder.